Hey everyone, it's Daniel Brother Bear Barris. This will be a 4.5 video follow-up. The reason why is what I noticed when I watched the video is that in my rules I had this set to when serve 2019 DC and when serve 2019 standard instead of how we had it here, which is SRV serve 2K19. So make sure you update the rules that we had to reflect that for the server operating systems. Okay. And then the other thing was I added our start menu customization. Okay. Now, remember, I had the stigs at the bottom here. I had it underneath apply local GPO. Move it up to under enable BitLocker, and that will get rid of that minute folder because I usually will put it in the custom task, but you do want it below BitLocker because it's changing the administrator name. So just put that right there. Same thing with the Windows 11 when you stig. If you're going to stig, place it right here. Okay. Now start menu, I'm going to place at the end of my custom task. So I have my start menu customization for Windows 11 and start menu customization for Windows 10. So right here, okay? And let me show you those. So the first one, I'm going to show you my Windows 11 under that one, and then I'll show you. I think I did this in a video before where I showed you how to edit the files. So I did show you how to export the layout modification and then to add this line here, right? We did that in one of our videos. And then, of course, our install bat, we already talked about this. So we're replacing the layout modification file. And then with our Windows 11, okay, I showed you that start bin file, okay, which was located in your account. So you're gonna change your start menu the way you want it. I started that up and then I forgot to log in because remember BitLocker will shut down the machine if you don't log in with a certain amount of time. So 314-15926, which is pi there. So let that log in. But if it was your account, C users and then your user account, app data, local, packages, Microsoft.windows.start menu experience, host, and then this string of characters, local state. And you'll find that start.bin file, and then you're going to copy that start.bin file to a folder, and you're going to replace the one in the default user's profile. Okay? And that way, when you log in, I'll show you what this is our Windows 11 machine. Now you can see the background pretty nice right there, but if we install the VMware tools, then the graphics driver will load, and then you'll have that acrylic background like you do with a normal machine. I haven't installed the Windows or the VMware tools on this one yet. So we're just going to let it log in for the first time, and then I'll show you how that start layout works. Okay. So I just put that in the Windows branding, and I made these both hide this application, and you saw how I put it in our task sequence at the bottom of custom task. Okay, here we go. So you can see my start menu. I set it up so that the Office programs are here. Let's close that real quick. Okay, so the Office program, Access Excel, they're in alphabetical order: Access Excel, OneNote, Outlook, PowerPoint, Publisher, Visio, and Word. and then I put OneDrive, and then I put my security, so SCAP compliance checker, Stig viewer, install root, the WebEx, Skype, Edge, Firefox, and Google Chrome. Okay, so that's how I laid that out, and all I did was replace that file. So let me grab that so you can see. It's hard to remember that. Let's grab this here. That. Go to Windows 11. I'm going to do this down here at the bottom. Notepad, open up, because right now we don't have VMware tools, so we can't really copy and paste to the window. So I'll just do this, C, users, and then my user account instead of the default app data, local, packages, Microsoft dot Windows dot start, and of course there's only one left there, right? So we're gonna open that up, local state, boom, and there's our start.bin, and all we have to do is copy that to a file folder somewhere and copy it over the default one, and then any user that gets created on that machine will have the same start menu as this. Okay, it took a moment for the Microsoft Teams to load because, like I said, I wanted all three of the talking points here, WebEx, Skype, and Teams. It just takes a moment for Teams to load. That's why I filled up this whole thing, but Teams just takes a moment because it is a built-in app. Okay, so the same thing with the Windows 10. Windows 10, like I showed you before, you're just going to export your XML file. All you're going to say is export start layout dash path, and since we're on the, we can say desktop and layout .xml, and there it is right there. Okay, so that's all you'd have to do on Windows 10. I'm on Windows 11, so that file isn't going to do anything, but that's okay. All right, so this machine is all set up and built and BitLockered, Stigged. It's all good. 100%. Okay. 0 errors, 0 warnings. All right. If you have any more questions, concerns, comments, let me know on either the comment section of this video or on the Reddit forum. Have a good day.